If you want an easy makeup tutorial on how to do Maleficent like this, keep watching, give me a like, and please subscribe. Okay, let's get started. I start with the mattifying lotion from Murad all over, and then I apply from Meron a Pro Color Ring Neutralizer in green to take down the red. And then my brows I am using from Meredith Boyd Cosmetics, dark brown. And then of course, here is Matt. He had to try on the Maleficent horns, or the headpiece. And my foundation is by Meredith Boyd Cosmetics is Bone. It's a cream-based foundation, and I'm applying that everywhere, behind the ears, all over, even the eyelids. Blending that out with a damp sponge, and then we will set it with powder, and then I'll use my setting spray from Meredith Boyd Cosmetics. This is a sealing spray, waterproof, budge-proof, smudge-proof. It's bulletproof. Then I'll use a sponge to blend that in. Then I'm using some concealer, the lightest concealer that I could find from Urban Decay and then Born This Way. One in Cloud and the other in 10, I believe. And I'm just placing that all underneath. Again, blending that out with a damp sponge. Also from Meredith Boyd Cosmetics is Eye Fix. This is an eye-based primer. I cannot live without it. It is a staple in my makeup kit. Oops, messed up my shirt. Let's fix that. Now I'm using Mahogany from Meredith Boyd Cosmetics and a windshield wiper motion on both sides. The next color I'm laying down is Safari Brown by Meredith Boyd Cosmetics in the upper outer corners of the eyes. Then I'll apply Tarte Shape Tape just a little bit on the lower lids and then blend that out. And adding just a little bit more Safari Brown in the upper crease areas on both sides and blending that out. I'm contouring the sides of my nose underneath my nose with Java from Meredith Boyd Cosmetics. It's a beautiful contour. Now for the moment of truth. This is a cream foundation called Almond Joy. This is how you get Maleficent's beautiful high cheekbones. So I'm using a cream foundation to do this, and it's really easy to use. So just put it on with a small concealer brush, straight across the cheeks, and then I'm also doing around my lips, and then down the sides, and then on the jawline as well. Taking that damp sponge once again and blending these areas out. And then now I'm taking Java. It is a powder contour right on top to seal that foundation. So that way it locks it in place. Trust me, you can't use too much contour. Blend it out. That's the whole look of the Maleficent look, is a lot of contour. Now I'm just going back over my crease area, and now I'm applying eyeliner. This is black on the top. And now I am setting that with a very dark brown eyeshadow to lock it in. So from end to end, and I will extend that inner corner and the tear duct. And on the bottom, I'm using a Kat Von D eyeliner in green, Vendetta green. It is beautiful. And now on the top, I'm using liquid. Give it more drama. And now I'm using Tarte Maneater mascara, just a tiny bit. Now this is by Stila. This is Kitten. It's an eyeshadow. So swiping from side to side, so easy on the bridge of the nose as well. Then I'm lining my lips with MAC Brick, over accentuating, so we can attempt to make it look like Angelina Jolie's beautifully large lips. And then this is from Meredith Boyd Cosmetics. It's Electric Red. Oh my God, this is the most beautiful blue cool red ever. It is so perfect for Maleficent. Obsessed. Now this is the Viseart palette. This is the Grande Pro Volume 3. I'm using the two greens. I love using green eyeshadow underneath just to play up the final look. Now I'm using Java again, just underneath, and I'm gonna seal it with Meredith Boyd Cosmetics setting spray once again. It's bulletproof, y'all. And these are my beautiful lashes called Bestie, also from Meredith Boyd Cosmetics. They're light, they're beautiful, but they give a little bit of drama because Maleficent doesn't have these huge, huge diva lashes, just enough to be glam glam. So we are blending once again, and I'm using just a smidge more of that Kitten from Stila. And one more layer of Electric Red from Meredith Boyd Cosmetics. Oh, so pretty. And let's blend one more time. And I'm adding my costume. It's 2 pieces from Amazon. It is so easy to put on. Look at that. Love. Ugh, I'm obsessed. What do you think? Witch, please. I am so excited to attend a witch's party tonight. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. This was so easy to do, and you can do it too. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, and we will see you soon. Happy Halloween!